Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about main method in Java. So we're gonna discuss some important points about main method. So the first point is if we do not write main method, we do not get compile time error. JVM is responsible to find the main method at runtime. If JVM unable to find main method at runtime, then we will get runtime exception called no such method error main. Okay, the first point is saying if we do not write the main method in our program, we not gonna get any compile time error. But in the runtime, JVM will search for this main method. If the JVM is unable to find the main method, we will get the runtime exception called no such method error main. Okay, so for main method, no compile time error, only runtime exception, no such method error main. Okay, so the next point is at runtime, JVM always search for main method with the following prototype. Okay, the main method prototype is this. It should be like this. So this is the prototype of main method. Okay, so next point, why main method is public? So the main method is public, as we know that, but why? The answer is main method is public so that JVM can call the main method from anywhere. So if the main method is not public, JVM is not being able to find the main method from anywhere. So that's why the main method is public. We know the access area for public, for private, for protected, for default. If the main method is private, it is accessible only within the class, right? So it must need to be public so that JVM calls the main method from anywhere. Okay, so the next point is why is the main method is static? Okay, so as we can see, main method is static. So why is it static? The answer is JVM calls the main method before the object creation of the class. As we know that static is nowhere related to object or instance. So static method is executed before the instance creation of the class. So that's why main method is static. JVM is not gonna wait for instance creation. Okay, so that's why the main method is static. Okay, so the next point is why main method is void. Why this main method is void? Because main method does not return anything. It's a void method. Okay, so next point, why the why the name of the main method is main? Because inside JVM the name of the main method is configured as main. So as we know that JVM is another program which is responsible to call main method. So inside JVM the main method is configured as main. Okay, so next point, what is string array args? So what is this thing in this main method? Okay, so string is a data type, we know that, and this is the array sign, right? So this is a string array and this is the variable name. the array name. And in the main method, this is actually used for command line arguments. So what is command line arguments? So in another video we're gonna talk about what is command line arguments. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.